Hey guys, this is me and my dad, Jas. My name is Balraj. So today we're going to teach you how to code. If you're wondering what coding is, you guys like games, right?
I think so.
Yeah, so do you want to make them? And then you can play them for free instead.
Or you could sell them and make some money.
Yeah, you guys want money?
I think everybody wants money. So what did you do today, Borat? What happened today?
Today there was a big storm and I never went to school.
And why?
Because of my bus.
Bus got canceled, so you couldn't go to school. So then what did you do today at home?
I coded.
You coded?
Yeah.
What type of coding did you do?
HTML and a little bit of CSS.
Okay, so how old are you, by the way?
8 years old.
So how hard was coding?
Out of
10.
Out of 10, I'd rate it 5.
So basically it requires some effort, but it's not too hard, right?
Right.
Okay, so what did you learn today?
What did I just told you, HTML and CSS.
Yeah, but a little bit more in detail. What is HTML?
HTML is a type of code. It's something with lots of codes inside it.
And what do you make out of HTML?
You make websites, but it's not just HTML. It's CSS too.
Okay, so
you make most of the website out of HTML.
yeah, websites, there's CSS and there's JavaScript and a lot of stuff that is used. But
Yeah.
HTML was a basic language to
Yes,
make.
HTML people usually learn first.
Okay, so what commands did you learn today?
I learned a break, which so you want to stop the line right here and go to the next line. That's what it does. You write it again, it'll go to the next line. And there's going to be a bracket and then BR for break and then another bracket to close it in.
Okay.
I also learned headings. There's head 1, which is going to be the same thing just with the H, and then 1, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could write H1, H2, all the way up to 6.
And what's the difference between H1 and H3 or H6?
H1 would be the biggest. I know what you guys are wondering. Why would H1 be the biggest? I don't know either. So H3 is smaller than H1, which it should be bigger. So, and there's H6, which is really small.
So H1 is the biggest heading and H6 is the smallest heading.
Yes.
Okay, so what else did we learn?
Well, we also learned EM, which stands for empathize, which
emphasis.
I don't even know how to explain it. Just let me say it.
Sure, go ahead.
And which makes it like different, like the words look different. So it'd be bracket EM, but you need to surround it. So at the end, it's gonna be bracket EM and then bracket. But for the end, you need to surround the words. So for the end, it's going to be bracket again, slash EM. And then another bracket to close it in.
So basically, EM stands for italicizing text. So whatever text you want to italicize, you have to put those commands like Balraj said before and after the words that you want to italicize. See, what else did you learn today?
I also learned strong, which is like, so like strong would be like, it's basically the same thing as emphasize. And you need to surround it like with the same things that I told you.
So does it make somebody stronger or make a word stronger? What happens to the word?
It like looks darker.
So bold it.
Yeah,
So okay,
it looks
so it bolds the
darker.
text.
So like people when they look,
Yeah.
they might look at that more often. So like it's like makes it so like it's more important.
It makes it stand out.
So you should do that to more important words?
Not everything.
Yeah, not everything.
Okay, so what else did you learn?
I also learned OL and UL.
What is that?
UL is unordered list. So if you're doing a list, I think you should do UL. No, if like you're doing a shopping list,
Right.
you do UL. It doesn't matter which order it's in. But if you're doing like ordered lists, like fastest cheetah to slowest cheetah, you can write the fastest cheetah's name,
To the slowest cheetah's name.
or like fastest person,
Okay.
slowest person.
Yeah. Who is the fastest in our family?
You.
Who's the slowest?
Me.
Okay. So,
No, Mama.
Mama? You could be Mama? Okay. Okay. So what else did you learn, Boraj?
I also learned what is it called again? ING
Right.
SRC equals
Equals.
and then 3 dots.
Right. So, what does IMG and SRC stand for?
IMG stands for images. Do you want your website to be like, oh no, or like someone reads it, what is this? I want to see a picture of it. You want people to go like that, or do you want people to be like, oh, that's what it is?
So, yeah, so you want the image source. So basically you're putting
Images, like pictures
pictures by
of
using that command.
what that you're showing people about.
Or talking about, writing about, right?
Yeah, images.
Okay. So it's important to put images.
So like that's what you need to write. Well, I told you. You need to put a bracket and then the 2 dots and the equal.
And there's something else you learned as well. What else did you learn? I got a piece of paper here. You wrote all these commands.
I know, but I'm still not done explaining this. So like you need to write the URL.
URL. Okay, so yeah, if you don't have a picture, where would you get the URL from?
You go and you see a pic. So you type in. You make another Google search and then go on it. Type in what you want.
Yeah.
Like, and then click the images you'll see usually at the top, and then click what is it called? On one right click the picture,
Okay.
and then
You copy the URL.
yeah, there'll be a big list.
Okay.
Well, not that big, and then there'll be something copy image URL.
Yeah.
Click that, and then go back, and then you can
Paste it in.
paste it in.
Okay, there you go. So that's what image source means.
Yeah.
I see a couple more things that you learned today.
Yes, there's color, RGB,
Right.
and then it's sort of like a curly mark, sort of.
Okay, bracket.
Not.
Remember,
it's not.
that bracket is only for Khan Academy though. Okay, so color RGB. So what does that allow us to do?
That allows us to. You want your website to be black and white.
No.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, if you wanted to, but most people would like colors.
Yes.
What colors would you like? You can choose exactly what color you want.
I want red.
What type of red?
That's where that RGB comes into play, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you could select
If
any
you
shades of red, right?
Right.
But
it
how
can
do you
be.
do that?
You write RGB, and then there's this. There's gonna be this thing that has every color. You can choose.
So it's like a chart, right?
Yeah,
Color
that has
picker?
every color.
Okay.
Every single one that you can imagine. There's like
Tons of colors.
exactly what color you want.
So, and when you select on it, what happens?
What happened?
Yeah.
So, like for an example, you're gonna write H1, and then you're gonna write all of that. You know, yeah, what I just told you, the code.
Right.
You know, with the brackets and stuff.
Yeah, they know.
We already told them.
Yeah, we did.
So, like, it's gonna be like, it's gonna change all of the H1s, all of them.
But why would it change all of the H1s? What did you do? How did you change all H1s? What type of coding did you use there?
We used.
Was that HTML or was that something else?
That was CSS.
Oh, okay. So what are you using in CSS now?
What?
To change all the H1 titles?
We're using I need to see the paper.
It's not written on your paper. It starts with S. Remember this?
Style.
Yeah, remember?
You need to write style.
Yeah.
You need to write style. It'll duplicate.
Yeah.
And then you put it like one style goes down and one style goes up. If you can also put some breaks so you get more space.
I don't think they're gonna understand that, but okay. So we use styles. So what else? So that will allow us to change the colors of the text. So if 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 18, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70-year-old is watching this video, where could they learn this from?
Khan Academy.
And is it easy to learn from Khan Academy?
Pretty easy. From 1 to 10, it would be 5.
And how did you learn it?
I learned it by Khan Academy.
No, but what did you do there on Khan Academy? Like, what did you see? Or how did they teach Khan Academy?
On Khan Academy, they show you a video, and then she's doing like codes, and then you see the video, and then you can change the video after. So like you can change all of the codes and stuff if you really want to after you're done everything. You can go and change all the codes if you want to make like a website.
One step at a time, one video at a time. How many videos did you watch today, maybe?
About 5.
5 videos?
And don't worry, they're not like an hour long. They're only 5 minutes.
Each, right?
Yeah, like 2, 5, yeah.
So,
about there.
You had fun today?
Yes.
On your day off?
Yes.
And other kids that are watching this video, what do you want to say to them? Anything?
It's not really hard to learn.
Is learning important?
Yes.
Should everybody do it?
If you want to.
Only if you want to?
Yeah.
But everybody should want to know learning. Any type of learning?
Most people should want to. It's fun.
It's fun. Okay. Anything else you want to say before we say bye-bye to everybody?
Nope.
No?
No, that's it.
That's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Adios. Cheers. If you like Balraj's video, please like the video. Thank you.
And leave a comment down below.
There you go. Comment. Please comment for him. Cheers.